What is going on, guys? So today we have the AirPods Pro in the house. Apple released this out of nowhere. Apple didn't actually hold a keynote for this, which was kind of random. Either way, AirPods Pro are officially here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. We see the brand new AirPods design. I still don't know how I feel about them. I feel like they're more futuristic, which I'm really gonna like. I feel like nobody likes them right now. Like, the same thing happened with the first generation AirPods. Everybody was like, wow, these guys are so ugly. These guys are super ugly. Nobody's gonna wear these. And then, they're like the most popular earphones in the world. All right, let's do it. Let's go ahead and unbox the AirPods Pro. That was not satisfying. So yes, we finally get active noise cancellation, which is something that I've been wanting the AirPods to have for a very long time. I like the fact that you can turn it off and turn it on wherever you want, because sometimes I don't really want, noise cancellation, especially in the city. Sometimes I want to hear the cars. I don't want to be isolated that much from society, if you know what I mean. Designed by Apple in California. Wow, so different. Let's go ahead. I don't want to look at them yet. I didn't look at them, I promise. Designed by Apple in California. What do we get? We get AirPods Pro. We get instructions on the tips and all that good stuff. I'm super excited. Okay, Apple, don't do this to me. There are no Apple stickers on AirPods Pro. Apple, how dare you? All right, now let's move on to what you all came here to see, the AirPods Pro. I'm not looking. I'm super excited about this. Oh, I actually got them engraved. I forgot, so all right, let me just open my eyes. Wow, I love this. This is so awesome. It says Nickiest. Do you guys see that? We're gonna open it together. 1, 2, 3. What the? Okay, this is so cool. I just haven't seen them in person yet. This is the first time that I'm ever seeing these in person. They look funky. I like them. I mean, I'll get used to them. Right now, they kind of feel like different, like really different. The stem feels really nice. The stem is way shorter now. So there are no battery improvements compared to the AirPods 2 because we do get noise canceling. So Apple has actually matched up the battery. So that's pretty good. I would have still liked to see an improved battery life, but I guess we can just wait for the upcoming generation of AirPods. These are the tips. How does this packaging work? That's cool. There we go. And we get 2 different sizes, which is cool. What cable do we get? I saw a lot of people tweeting, we finally get USB-C on AirPods, and that is not true, because if you guys go ahead and unbox the actual cable, you will see that it is USB-C. Yes, you are right, but the way that you connect these AirPods Pro are via Lightning. So we will not be getting USB-C this time on AirPods Pro. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and pair my AirPods Pro with my iPhone. By the way, do you guys like my new case? Do you guys like this Lion King case? I love it. I'm super obsessed with it. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and open it up, and we should be getting the beautiful animation for the AirPods Pro. Let's go ahead and tap on connect. Apple, say hi. Media control, press once on either AirPod to play, pause twice to skip forward. Noise control, press and hold either AirPods to switch between noise canceling. We are finally connected with the AirPods Pro. I'm super curious to see the way that these fit, because I don't really like earphones that you have to, stick them in. The Galaxy Buds, for example, I wasn't a big fan of them because you really have to stick them in, and I didn't really like that. But these, they feel like easy to put on. Even though they are not as easy to put on, wow. I already feel like the noise canceling. Is the noise canceling already on? I feel like I'm screaming. Okay, yes, it's on. Okay, this feels really weird. Let me go ahead and check out transparency mode. Hello? Oh my gosh. Holy moly, this feels so weird. I can hear my voice in... Gosh, this feels too weird. I wish I could show you guys and we could try it on together, but it's just super weird. Anyways, let's play some music, because I'm super excited to test out the music with noise canceling. I cannot hear anybody. If there's somebody ringing the doorbell, let me try out the stem. I'm sorry if I'm screaming, guys. Okay, yes, I was super confused. So you actually have to hold it for like a couple seconds, and then it switches to a transparency mode. I can really notice the difference between quality-wise. Maybe the quality isn't that difference, but since the noise cancellation is here, you definitely hear more the music instead of the surroundings. So there is definitely sound improvements. Of course, I have to test it further, but I'm really excited really excited to try these guys out. So if you actually go on settings on your AirPods Pro settings, here, there's actually an ear tip test, which is pretty cool. So the way that this works, you have to put these guys on first, and it will basically let you know if these, if the actual tips are the right fit for you. Some music is playing right now. Do not remove AirPods. Okay, so this is a good seal. AirPods Pro will cost you $50 more than the AirPods 2. Apple still sells the AirPods 2, so I mean, if you don't want to spend $250, which is what these guys cost you, you guys will still be able to purchase AirPods 2, which is still an amazing piece of earphones, and you won't need to spend this much money. But of course, I will have to test these guys out to see if they're actually worth the $50 more. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my quick unboxing of the AirPods 2. I actually have to go to class right now. I am, in fact, late. I start class at 11:20, and it is currently 11:06. So I have to boost there. Maybe I'll edit in class. Don't tell my teacher, but I really wanted to film this before. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below, what are your thoughts on the AirPods Pro? Are you guys picking them up? Do you guys think they're too overpriced? Do you guys like that they actually have noise canceling? What are your thoughts that Apple didn't actually include more colors with the AirPods Pro? Because I was kind of excited to have gold AirPods. That would have been really cool. But white is nice, and white is probably my favorite color apart from gold. So I'll take white, but I know you guys really wanted those black AirPods. I'm really excited to have my name in the actual casing. I've never actually done this before because, you know, if you want to sell these, it's kind of a pain in the butt to sell something with your name on it. But either way, as I was saying, I will see you this week with another new video. Peace.